Iketo sei chik mar winjruok e kind od thieth mano machiromo kaachiel kod kambi mar Johnson & Johnsons. Jachiw paro ne ker e weche mag ngima mar obwongo Dr. Frank Njega wacho ni mano en ler maduong' ahinya e wach mabende koro nyagesa ni kod kedo godo kod chandruok mago mag obwongo e pacho kae momedore to kod kwan mamalo ahinya kaluwore gi midhusi mar korona bende koro nosedonje pacho kae. Twak mar chikno yande koro nochwal e od bura kod seneta mogwel Sylvia Kasanga mane lero ni koro ngima mar obwongo nochuno mana kaka ngima moko kendo en wach monego bed ni koro ng'iyo ahinya motegno kaka inyalo kony.
That has to be a multi-sectoral approach and we need to fund mental health. And I think for the first time, thanks to having a presidential advisor on mental health, we know we have a budget line for mental health that is significant and it should grow now exponentially now that we have the legal framework.
The reality is you become commercially successful if you put the interests of your patients at the center of everything that you do.
I say yes. I think everything has its own time.
Mental health is a big problem around the world. Interestingly enough, if you observe the global narrative about mental health, it accelerated during the COVID time. People understood that healthcare is an asset to have, it's not just a cost.
That the burden that our clients face must be made lighter by inventing more friendly drugs that go to improve their livelihood. Mental illness is not a disability. We as CHG believe in that you can have a mental illness as any other and still remain fully functional in your place of service.